Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can set up a fingerprint on your Galaxy Tab S9 FE 5G in order to, unlock your tablet. For that we want to go to our settings, and now we want to scroll down here and go to security and privacy, and here we want to go to lock screen, and now we want to say fingerprints. We first need to verify that it's us with our PIN. And now we come to fingerprints, a quick and easy way to unlock your tablet and verify yourself in apps. Your fingerprint data is secured by Knox. Alright, so we say continue. Place your finger on the sensor, then lift it off when the percentage goes up. The sensor is on the side buttons. So that is actually here on the side, and I will turn the tablet now for an easier access. And now fingerprint added, add another one. No, we don't want to do that. We say done. And now when we go ahead and lock our tablet and want to unlock it, we just need to put our finger here, and then we're back in the tablet. So that's how you use your fingerprint to unlock your Galaxy Tab S9 FE 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.